Are you also stuck up in the same loop, finding out the content for everyday Facebook post, publishing the post, then checking out manually whether any lead has check-in or no on Facebook lead ads? If all these sounds familiar to you as well, this video is definitely for you. Because today I'm going to show you top 3 Facebook automations which if you will create for your business, every problem will get resolved automatically. You can automatically convert all your raw ideas into actual realistic post on Facebook. You can schedule your post for every day and just sit and relax while all your posts get uploaded on your Facebook pages, that too without even lifting a single finger, without even typing a single word on your Facebook pages. As well as you can also capture your Facebook leads automatically and instantly in your Google Sheets or anywhere where you want from Facebook. All these automations are done without any coding and programming skills, and I'm going to show you how they actually work. Let's get started. So first of all, let's start with converting raw ideas into actual Facebook posts. Here I have a Google Sheets which contains my ideas. As soon as a new idea is added in the sheet, such as the topic, the business category, the industry, target audience, call to action, website, etc., automatically this raw idea is going to be converted into an actual Facebook post, not only the content but also the image, which is going to be posted directly on my Facebook page. Let me show you that quickly. Okay, so here as you can see, I have added a new row. The topic is say goodbye to dry skin naturally. Here I have added my business name, the industry, my target audience, tone, call to action, and the website URL. I want to create the promotional post for my skincare brand, and the topic is say goodbye to dry skin naturally, which should look more like informative but also be promotional and marketing purpose. So I'm going to take you towards my Facebook page, and as we'll go towards the page, and here you can see that the post is automatically created. Not only the caption but also the image. How have I created this workflow? Let me show you that as well. So I have simply connected my Google Sheets with OpenAI and Facebook pages in such a way that every time a new idea is going to be added in my Google Sheets, automatically that idea is going to be converted into a caption for my post with the help of ChatGPT, that is OpenAI. And then according to the caption and the same idea, an image is also going to be generated automatically, and the same caption as well as the image will be posted automatically on my Facebook pages. This automation is really useful for those who have ideas and they add ideas in the raw form somewhere and want to create realistic posts out of that idea but do not have much time for that. So this automation can help you a lot. Now let's move on to the next automation that is going to be even more easier. Let me take you towards that. Schedule Facebook page post every day or every week. For someone who needs regularity and consistency in their business, whether it is whatever, you can use this automation in your business for sure, where you just have to tell AI what is your business about, what type of content you want to generate, what type of images you want to generate, and every day, every week, or whatever time is suitable for you. On those days, at that particular time, automatically your post is going to be generated. For example, here I have created this automation for every day. Every day at a scheduled time, my workflow is going to run. And when the workflow is going to trigger, when it is going to start, it is going to first of all generate a content for me. That is not going to be repeated, but a unique content according to my business. For that, I have provided the prompt, clearly stated everything about my business, what type of content I want. And according to the content, it is also going to generate an image for me and is going to post it automatically on my Facebook page. I have created this automation for a digital marketing agency. Let me show you that as well. Here I have a digital marketing agency. This is the Facebook page for that. Every day at a specific time, I want to post something to maintain the activeness on my page. Okay, so instead of doing it manually every time, finding out the content, the images, much more, and what to write every day, I have set up this automation which is going to automatically post something or the other every day according to my requirements on my page, like this. Okay, this is really beneficial if you do not have much time for your social media, you do not even have a team for your social media, but regularity and consistency is required in your case. You can use this automation. Once you will set it, you just have to sit back and relax every day at a specific time or every week according to your requirements, your post will get uploaded on your Facebook page. Not only on Facebook page, but you can also use any other social media platforms in the similar way. Okay, third automation is really, really helpful for business owners, for people who are investing in Facebook lead ads. If you are investing in Facebook lead ads for any of your business, you are paying a lot of amount on each of the lead, you're managing the campaigns, but you're not getting much good results because you are somewhere or the other missing out your lead. Each and every lead is really essential, really important, because you are paying for that. So what you can do, you can simply set up this automation. Here I have used Google Sheets. So every time I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead is going to be added in my Google Sheets. Let me show you how it works. So this is my lead gen form. I have attached it on my Facebook ad campaign. After watching my Facebook ad and the campaign, if any of the lead is interested in my properties to purchase or to rent the properties for my real estate agency, they are going to submit this form. When they are going to submit this form, I will capture each and every detail of that particular lead in my Google Sheets. So here, let me submit it in front of you. Let's suppose the property type the lead wants is apartment or flat. Let's enter some details for the lead. Here we have name, email, phone number, and the city. As soon as I'm going to submit this form, let me quickly take you towards my Google Sheets. And here you can see automatically the data is recorded without any manual efforts with all the details: name, email, phone number, city, and the property type of that particular lead. So in this way, this automation is going to work. I can save all my lead details at a same place to check the status, to easily contact them, and to update the status in the same place. Not only to Google Sheets, but also you can connect WhatsApp or email over here in this automation to send personalized WhatsApp messages instantly as soon as you receive any Facebook lead, to send personalized emails along with your brochures, your catalogs, and much more. So this is the third automation. I hope all these automations are useful for you. If you want to learn each of them properly step by step, we have separate videos for all of them. I'm going to attach the link of those videos in the description, and you can check out from there. And definitely, if you like the automations, do try it yourself. Do let me know if you have any questions, any doubts. I will solve them. Also, if you find these automations useful for your businesses, you can try them out. You can purchase Pabbly Connect plan by using my coupon code SHRYT, which is given in the description and on the left side of the screen. Just for you, this coupon code is going to provide exclusive discount, and you will thank me later. Okay, so if you like the video, do not forget to share, subscribe our channel, and if you have any other use case on which you want a video on, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.